Hi Ryan, this is going to be a quick video on how to find the Dropbox, and I assume when you ask for the Dropbox, you are asking about the Dropbox for the Unit 1, Activity 1 information paragraph, because that's the only assignment to this point that you need to submit. So what I would do, the easiest way to do this for me, is to go down to the announcements, the Unit 1, Activity 1 announcement, click on the link to go inside the activity, and I'm assuming that you've already gone through the content and learned the lesson. It's taking its time opening here. But you would go through, of course, the content, learn the lesson, and take particular note, if you haven't, of this sample paragraph, because this is what your paragraph assignment should reasonably look like. And then it'll say you've done the content, go on to the assignment. So we can click the assignment link right here. And you'll find a video here where I will explain the assignment, and I will mention in this video how to use the Dropbox as well too. So if you want a more detailed explanation of what I'm telling you right now, watch this video if you haven't already. And if we move down here, you'll see assignment number 1, your information paragraph. And so presumably you've followed the directions here and written your information paragraph. And you could have typed it on Google Docs. You could have typed it on Microsoft Word. Whatever you typed it on is fine. When you're finished and you've saved it, you click right here for the Dropbox. Okay, so the Dropbox will always be right underneath the title of the assignment. So you click Dropbox. And once you're in the Dropbox, it'll tell you what you're doing here. You're submitting your information paragraph. This is just a reminder of how the paragraph's going to be graded. And you would go down and you would go add a file. And this depends on what you've used. If you've typed your assignment in Microsoft Word, you're going to probably go through My Computer. If you've typed it in Google Docs and you've linked your My Tools to Go account to the website, you would go through Google Drive, but wherever you've saved it, you just click. And then you would highlight, so in case, for example, say this is your information paragraph assignment here. We would go add, and we would hit submit. And I'm not going to hit submit here, but if I did, it would just say submitted successfully, and you would get an email saying that it was submitted as well. I hope this helps. If you have any questions after seeing this video, please let me know.